Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Fresh haircut and fresh beard trim. Can you tell? Do I look handsome? Do I look like 20 years old? Thank you very much. Guys, I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. Today we are going to be making some embellishment using the origami butterflies that we made last week. I have received lots of comments on that video asking to see what else can we do with these butterflies. Well, you asked and I made. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Exciting news guys. Today's going to be a bit of a chatty video because I know you guys love chatty videos and I know that you like longer videos but I'm not a big fan of longer videos because I think that you guys fall asleep. I just got this idea, and also I think as well, like, and that's nothing wrong. I mean, everybody does exactly what they want with their own channel, but I don't know, I haven't got time to watch videos that are very, very long, and hence why I think doing shorter videos, and I'm also fully aware that you guys that watch my videos watch other people videos, of course, because you know, it's a really nice community, so watch my videos and other crafter videos. So I want to make sure that you get some really good ideas in a very short amount of time, so you watch my videos and go and watch somebody else, because you know, personally I haven't got the time to start and watching 30-minute 40 minutes videos, and I'm conscious that some of you are like that, but also some of you love longer videos. So today I'm going to be something in between. So good news, because on Friday guys, me and Jamie are going to Italy, so we're going to fly on Friday afternoon, and we're going to be there of course all the weekend and also all the next following week, and we're flying back on Sunday because we're going to see my mum and dad, and also we're going to see some properties. We have one property to go back and review because the last time we went there were some problems, so 2 rooms weren't I always say weren't legal, in a way that the owner of the house decided to do some work without planning permission. So 2 rooms that were actually outside, they use a studio and storage, they have to be taken down. So, and the works are completed, so we're just going to go back and review this property. Of course, the good thing about it is it made the outside space very big, of course, so that makes a really nice big garden, but also it means that we lost the room, because one of the rooms outside, when we saw it first time, I wanted that to be my studio for my craft. So that means that I lost the studio now. So we need to go back and see what else we can add a little room without making it, without sacrificing it, put it this way, without sacrificing any other rooms. So happy days. But I'll keep you posted, of course, when I'm coming back. So I'm coming back on, well, I don't know how many videos I'll be able to do for, you know, next week, but I'll try my very best. I'll definitely do a Friday free, because I don't want you guys to miss out on a freebie, but I don't know realistically how many videos I'll be able to film before I go. I'll try my very best, but I'll keep you posted. So today I thought, so we done the butterflies videos on Wednesday last week. I know how much you love them, so I thought to do some project. Well, I want to make some embellishment, and I only made 3. And then I also made a plain one, which I'm not going to use today. I have it. It looks really nice next to that. yellow. So I'm going to, you know how much I love this die. It's my favorite, ultimate favorite die. I don't know why I'm doing this. But it's from Stampin' Up. It's part of, oh God. I can't remember. I got a picture saved on my phone, so I will put it on the description box down below, so you guys open it so you can see all the description. No, it's not coming back to my head, but I got a picture because I saved on my favorite on my phone, so every time I use this I know the name of it so you guys can go and fetch it. Of course, it's not on the website anymore, but have a look on eBay, because eBay or charity shops, like what you guys call thrift stores, because it's the best places to find some really nice Stampin' Up bargains. So have a look. So I wanted to create something vintagey and florally at the same time, and the lovely Woolly Steph, she is my YouTube sister, sent me a really nice happy mail for my birthday. There were these flowers there in a really nice envelope box. Look super cute, super cute. And also she sent me this little box here, which is full of adhesive, vellum printed papers. I've done an unboxing video of this. If you are interested, I will put the video down below so you guys can go back and have a look. But what I wanted to do is using this as a background and then add flowers, my folk stamps. Again, I've done a video of this. I will put a link down below. Some Timol's, what do you call them? Timol's tickets, and then my butterflies. Something very simple. And I'm probably gonna use as a gift tag. I'll probably do like a little card, like a little happy birthday card with this, because I think it's gonna look really nice. Before we do anything, I'm going to glue this adhesive into a thicker cardstock, because once I put this on a big shot, you see it's not big enough. So I will put that into a cardstock, and then what we might do, we're just going to put some gold at the end of it, just to, because you will see it's not going to be perfect. I will be 2 seconds. Okay, so I've die cut that, so that's one. Love it. I'm not extremely bothered about that, because I think it looks quite part of the decoration. And then that's the number 2 with the mushrooms, and that's the third one with the butterfly. Quite like them. So very super simple. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to layer things together. So I love these stuff flowers, absolutely love them. So I thought we will do something like, because there's a blue there and then there's a blue there, so they got quite nice together. I like it like that actually. So I put each flower, actually let me move them in there so you can see what I'm doing. So we put that in there. Then I think each one of them, I want to have a little ticket, so there. And the reason why I'm going horizontally, it's because I like, we're probably going to do something taller in there. We're going to put that there, and that there. Okay, and then I want each one of them to have a 4 stamps, so put that there. Now because I got something vertically there, I want something horizontally in there just to balance it, so that there. And then I need something tall. Oh, there is. Are we using her or are we using him? I think, because it's a bit of blue in the butterfly, I'm probably going to use him because it's a bit of blue and blue. Okay, and then last we're just going to put our butterfly in there, just like that. Just this, guys, just a very simple, oh, let me zoom out. Just a very simple way to create collages, embellishment. You can do exactly what you want with this. And I thought it's nice to give some cluster, some 3D decoration, a bit of revamp, if it makes sense. So yeah, I'm very happy. What I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly glue them all together, and I'm going to come back. I'm going to leave them 2 as they are, and I'm going to create a little card with this, so I can show you what that will look like on a little card. Okay guys, so that's what the clusters look like. So this is one. Oh, still got a bit of glue. Love it, love it, love it. And that's the second. This is probably my favorite because there's quite a lot of blue in it. So blue on this butterfly, there's blue on the butterfly on the back, and blue on him, and I think it's quite nice. And then that is the card that I made. I literally glued it. This is another card I made a while ago, but I thought it would look quite nice because there's the BOBs on the background and some floral. So I simply literally stuck on top of it, and it opens like that. But yeah, I think there's a really nice, cute hello card. Nothing major, but I love it. And also because there is a bit of gold on the stamps, there is some gold on the butterfly, some gold on the flowers. I thought it looks quite nice with some gold here on the background. You know me, guys, I love gold. I do, I really do. I think it's one of my favorite color. So yeah, so what am I gonna do, guys? I'm going to list it down, the video of the butterflies, in case you missed it last week. We'll list that video when she showcased how to make these flowers, and also my videos on how to make these folk stamps. So I will put all the links down below. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider to leaving a big butterflies thumbs up, because it really helps the channel and the video, because you telling YouTube that actually how fabulous I am at wing. Guys, I love making embellishment for cards, for gift tag, for all sorts. I've done tons of videos with embellishment. I will put a couple of videos here on the screen so you guys can literally click on it. It will take you straight into the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Your support is much appreciated. Guys, until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.